Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, right now, we're joined by last year's winners of the competition, exclusive dancers who are going to give us a cool routine. But first, let's find out a little bit about them.
All right.
Yeah.
So, guys, I'm loving the look. I'm loving the vibe. How long have you guys been dancing together, first of all?
Yes. First and foremost, manners and respect to everybody in the
Bless.
audience.
Bless, bless.
Manners and respect to all who have been supporting Xclusive all over the year.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Daytime Life, for having us. Thank you, JCDC.
Straight.
So Xclusive, we have been dancing for over a decade.
Oh, wow.
Some members are more recent, but that's how group is, you know?
See.
So we got Pops Exclusive here, we got Jasmine Exclusive, Asti Exclusive, Chucky Exclusive, along with Mediana Exclusive.
So there's a lot of other persons.
Yes,
Exclusive.
it's a family.
Nisha Exclusive. Now come
Yeah.
exclusive too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
where you guys, where do you all come from? I assume all different places, but tell us where you from.
Why I ask you that?
Well,
Because
we,
Come
all the
down.
males, we're from St. Thomas.
very nice.
Yeah?
Big up St.
The
Thomas.
female is an international member from Austria.
Nice.
Austria. Very
Yes.
nice. All right. And who do you idolize? What's your favorite Jamaican dancer? You can say Nisha and it's okay. It's okay. No man.
Okay,
No man. No
Nisha.
man. We'll take it. Yeah. Nisha Exclusive.
Yes, so-
I'm joking. Go ahead. Nisha Exclusive. Now
First
go.
and foremost, we have to pay respect to the man himself, who everybody look to, Father Bogle.
Straight.
Oh.
Yeah? We growing up dancing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I love that, guys. Very
Definitely.
nice. I like it. Yes.
And we have many other inspirations, and it comes from other genres. Yeah? Locally, we have also Black Blingers along with Cadillac, you know?
See.
Right.
Many of them, because when we were dancing, we were watching Dirty Friday and Passa Passa and Weddy Weddy and all these things. And
All the
this
good things.
Inspire us.
Yang and
Yang Yang was
Ah.
our star.
It knew.
Oh,
Yang
okay.
Yang knew.
Look at me trying to bring. All right.
True
Now,
new.
come
Yeah,
on.
Yang Yang knew.
And what you guys gonna be dancing now? What track?
We're gonna just take it cool and easy. We're not gonna perform like
All
we're
right,
dancing and roll
quick
like
question. We've been arguing about what's the latest dance move. What is the latest dance move? Tell me.
New rave. I think you can catch
All
it.
right, new
She
rave.
can
You
catch
can
it.
show me later. After. All right, thank you so much. Take it away,
Ma, do
guys.
your
Let me
thing.
see the dancing. I'll be over here dancing to the track. To the track, yeah.